Welcome back to Lon's Rods. Working on the 5.9 MeatWagon, 5.9 Cummins. Honing out those cylinders with the dingleberry hone and then a fine hone. Grooves are starting to come out. Got some good ones here up at top. Get those. It's running all the way down the cylinder. Number one was the worst, but should clean up. It's starting to clean up, so it should. That's the worst one. 1, 2, and then 6, and then the other ones in the middle, the 3 in the middle are decent, so they should clean up really well. So I'm tearing apart this valves now on the heads, breaking them down using a V8 valve retention holder. So that's for the old V8 ones, and it works just as good. Don't have to buy the specialty tool. So yeah, enjoy, have fun watching me. Thanks.